biting off more on fatty, a dime-sized fatty in here. You know what I mean? You roll a dime-sized fatty in this bitch with this paper, and thanks to the roll, I can roll the full joint. I can finally say I can get 100 and 100 out of this fucking roller. Yeah, I smoked one yesterday. She got that back from the fucking tobacco shop. Rip! Fucking stuffed in his fat like a fucking man. I smoked the whole thing, but I was about one down. That's a good down. I did
So
go
it's
down.
like a Christmas wrapping roll. It's fucking just on there like a roll. I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
9 meters, 27 feet long.
But we used to call them rips. They weren't made by Roar at the time. They were just a different company. I'm sure Rips still make them. But yeah, man, they had different thicknesses. You just make them as long as you want. Yeah. What's good, boys? You okay? Enjoy that, Eagle.
Man, that was an awesome show. Awesome show. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, you sound clean, man.
Yeah, that's a first for a minute or two. Good information. I loved all the questions you were steering towards the project and everything, and figuring things out. Pretty awesome stuff, Eagle.
Yeah, he definitely gave us some good advice as far as the breeding project goes, man. That's some gems there he dropped. Appreciate that.
Yeah, no doubt. Not only that, he just
Thanks,
seems like
guys.
he'd be the kind of cat you'd want to hang out with and smoke and party out. That'd be a good time.
Sit around, fire up.
Exactly. Yeah.
Greatly appreciate you guys for holding her down last night. Fucking great episode. Appreciate it.
Awesome.
So,
Thanks for the use of the truck.
Yes. Letting us take it out for a joyride. We didn't
Sorry,
hit too many mud holes.
Sorry about the club.
We left it like maybe half empty, a quarter tank, you know.
Muddy.
Do you guys ever watch any of the memes? They got like the different voiceovers. There's one that they always, all the guys with the 4x4 trucks will show, and it's like a voiceover. I think it's probably from one of the TV shows or something, but it's like, I give him my truck, and the first thing he does is go bury it in a fucking mud hole, and he's fucking revving that, spinning the tires and shit, probably burning the fucking tranny out of the thing. And it's like the voiceover they always show, the guys are fucking feeling in the mud or whatever.
Yeah, I'd seen that one. That'd be a good one, though.
Yeah.
Right.
we're coming to Eagle Guard.
What's up, Green Fingers?
What's up? Cool.
Good shit, man.
So my bucket of auto problem was luckily cables on the one truck. Okay, that was a huge thank you. And the other one I get to work on today. Got me those boards set up, all heated. Parts. AutoZone says the parts will be here tomorrow.
You've been getting some hints and tips from Smiley.
That's gonna suck. There's no easy way around it.
Long distance diagnosing. That's good stuff.
You know, as bad as I hate that vehicle was designed to be worked on. If I've got to work on any of them fuckers, unfortunately, it's that. You could actually it's got like pins, you know what I mean? You could actually change the brakes. Yeah, that fucking thing is just too easy to work on. That thing's like a military easy workout. You know, I was, like I said, if I had to work on anything, that thing probably be easiest.
It's fucking cold out there though, dude.
The temp dropped hardcore today. We were hanging around the
Again?
20s, and all of a sudden now we're down like negative 2 or some shit.
Holy shit.
I don't know how accurate that is. That's on my vehicle, but it's still, it was like 20
Yeah. Shit, man.
No, I don't think we're going to get below 40, 45 tonight.
Oh, it definitely.
I think our winter's over.
That winter's over. In the desert, it's over.
Earlier today, we're in an ice age. We're coming to an ice age right there.
Hey, man, things move a lot faster in the desert out here.
Yeah, the desert's
You
very
know?
different.
It's like you'll have
-1
your
feels like -1 right now.
you'll have your week where it's like that freeze threat, you know, and then I think it's over after that.
That temperature right there had everything to do with firing up the Weed Nerd World tonight, man. Because I knew I'm supposed to wrench on the truck early in the morning, or as early as parts get here. I guess I could start dismantling without parts, you know what I mean? I could do a lot without the parts and get ready. But I looked at that temperature and I was like, yeah, might as well fire up the world. I ain't running out there first thing in the morning. That was up to.
Because, man, there will be a difference. When that sun comes up, that will, you know, even if it's a few degrees, that will change things, man.
Change the oil and change the radiator hose and the radiator fluid. But then I got high, you know, so. Oh, yeah.
Jobs you need to get high for.
Yeah, it was too late in the afternoon, you know. I got it way too late.
Best to do tomorrow then.
Well, you know,
It's a little dangerous. It's funny that today I was shoveling the driveway. Yeah, I got a snowblower, but whatever. I was pulling up some cars and shoveling shit. It's all fun. I got sick of it about halfway through.
You didn't pull the snow blower out?
No, I'm still.
Oh, shit. Come on.
right on.
I actually broke a sweat. It worked out.
Good exercise.
Okay, I hope you smoked a joint after that, dude. That sounds fucking hectic.
What was it? Was it fluffy or?
It was an exercise. It wasn't good exercise.
No. Yeah, you're not
fluffy or
exactly.
wet?
Fucking.
Yeah, was it fluffy or wet though? The snow.
Oh, it was all fluffy snow. We're getting like kind of late. Kind of at the ending band, depending on how strong the wind is. Like, so I don't know if you guys don't understand lake effect really, but I'll just kind of give a synopsis. But it's basically the Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, is still warm, so it's not froze over. So when you get a cold wind going across it, it generates like it makes like a snow machine basically. It'll just literally, like I can drive towards the lake shore and you'll come up to a point where it's like you just drove into a different planet. Like it's so much more snow than what, so it's that's how the lake effect can work is until the lake freezes over really it'll fucking any wind.
It's almost like the steam of the snow. I mean, of the lake coming up actually gets picked up and turned into snow, right?
Yeah, there's different factors too, like direction of the wind and different shit like that.
Interesting stuff.
Basic snaps. So like Buffalo, New York, I think is where they're real famous for getting like feet of snow in the day and shit, and that's all lake effect too. It comes across Lake Erie.
And he says, no, man, I had a lot of fun. He's like, there for a while, I actually fucking forgot I was doing a show. I had so much fun in the conversation. I forgot we were even doing a show.
You see, that's the thing, man. Yeah.
makes me smile.
Just hanging out.
Yeah, that's what it's like, man. Once you get to talking and hanging out with you, it's just like, you know, hanging out with a friend. Talking shit with Eagle, you know?
You guys don't think about the thousands of people watching? You know, I really forget all about them until you guys just said that right now. Holy shit. Somebody's watching and I just put overalls on.
To me, it's just like hanging out. Like, I always like hanging out, talking to chat. If there weren't chat, like scrolling, like, no one, whatever, if you're on your phone, you don't get to see it as easily. That shit, but it's like, that makes
Exactly.
it's a different show, man, unless you got chat.
I could pop on there.
Loves snow.
Like this. I'm like, I want to rush over and go, you know.
I look right here next to the camera. I look at you guys, but not my face. Like, right next to me. Not me. I'm like, not me though. Otherwise, it's me.
So, 313. Have you ever done this? Because I'm the same way as far as not necessarily watching, but listening and run over with the comment. There's times where I've done that. Fucking run over and I'm like, yeah, da 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 da. And then I fucking hit enter and I like kind of read back and chat or whatever. And then realize that for some reason or another, buffering fucking reasons or whatever, I'm like a minute or two behind the real chat and I'm now interjecting like just crazy shit into the conversation that nobody's talking about anymore.
1 second.
I've had that happen many a time.
Literally, all day.
Most definitely.
All day earlier. I was 10 minutes behind. What the hell?
Yeah, sometimes you can, if you have any delays in your phone when you're, well, this is what I've noticed in the phone, when you're watching a show, it'll pick up where it stopped, but the show will already have progressed on a little ways. You know what I mean? And then if I get another little thinking moment, well, it's progressing on a little further, so yeah, I totally understand that. I'm sure I've seemed like an idiot quite a few times out there on the chat.
Makes me better. It's not just makes me feel a little better. It's just not me.
No, it's not you. I think it's something that they just do to us sweet nerds, you know, to make us look bad.
I use that as an excuse when I'm like, I want to interject something still, but it's way too late. I'm like, I'm going to say this still. When I say it, then I'm like, oh no, top chat. Damn it. Top chat. No.
Because Olive's like basically stop the chat where it is kind of thing. But nah.
Yeah.
What you talking about?
When it's 5 minutes past, if it's 5 minutes too long and like 5 minutes behind, I won't say anything. But if it's like less than 5 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll still say what I was saying. I was like, fuck, I'm still gonna say it. It's only 3 minutes.
What I do find weird is when Eagle ends the show and leaves, and then we can just talk for as long as we want. If you don't leave, you can talk indefinitely. Then when you leave, you can't come back. But
That's good if I do it.
Like a filibuster or some shit. Just never
Yeah. Springing it out. Yeah, we done that a few times.
Makes me wonder what I'm doing wrong. If I let it sit for too long, I go to comment shit. He'll tell me that fucking chat's already over or whatever. I'm like,
oh yeah, okay. We're in there partying, bro. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, we're still in the same feed. You know, you jumped out and now you're out of the feed.
We're all sending each other hearts, fucking peace signs.
Yeah. See you next time.
Yeah.
Boxes of brains.
Shave the hairy.
Got that question again. Damn, you forgot about it.
You say Green 13 you showed the garden the other night. That was like a point, bro.
Oh man, I was.
Can't pretty sense about Mac 1. It goes slow.
Yeah, veg is super slow, and it did veg super slow.
It does a nice stretch.
Yeah, it seems to be good. Look, the first net is here, and the second one's here, so they're pretty much going to reach it any time. Look at the health on them. There's not a fucking, every stem is super green. They're so fucking happy. And they're a bit, the light's only just gone on, so you get that thing when there's a bit of mag deficiency, but by the end of the day it's gone. And it gets that colour back.
Welcome in Tao and SoCal.
Okay.
Yo, look at 313. What's up, Johnny? Smiley, Robbie, SoCal, and fucking Eagle. Good show, Eagle. Only towards the end of it, but I'm sure it was killer the whole way through. But yeah,
I'm gonna go back and listen to it.
I need to break down and get me some new shit. My fucking keyboard, like, I'll hit one letter and I'll type like 5,000 of them. It's been going bonkers. The whole thing.
Yeah, it's the last time you spilled soda on there.
Oh,
No, I don't drink soda, Johnny.
Okay, well, it's the last time you melted a cookie on there. Let's say that. So every time you push it down on that sugar is holding down that key and making that contact, sending out a bunch of those letters.
I thought it was stuck from all the porn he's been watching.
Man, that could be. I didn't want to go there, you know, but
The keyboard's on the screen. Whatever it is.
what's in an apple?
There's green thing going off his plants.
it's turning green again.
I want that room. I just don't want that humidity, man.
You got it to 50%.
He's probably like 37, that's bagging.
It was 50% this morning when I woke up. But it was also fucking like 4
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'd spend most of the day just drenching them down. Oh, nice. There you go. That's my shit.